Choosing the right pricing plan for your Wix website, that can feel confusing at first because Wix offers a kind of different plans for different kinds of needs. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you will know how each plan works, what benefits you get, and how to pick the plan that fits your website or your business best. Whether you are building a simple personal site, a blog, or a store that sells online products, there is a plan that fits for you. And I will explain it in a very simple way so beginners can also understand it very easily. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow online using the smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to get special offers and direct access to the Wix plans. By using the description link, the discount or the benefit that will be applied automatically. So you get the best deal without any confusion. Now let's come to the main part of the video and let's talk about the pricing of Wix. First of all, it's important to know that Wix offers a free plan and several paid plans. With the free plan, you can start building your website right away, but the website will have the Wix branding and add a Wix subdomain in the address. This means your site address will look like a long Wix address instead of your own custom domain like this. The free plan is good for testing and learning the builder, but most business and professional websites go with the paid plan because it looks more professional and gives more tools. So let's start with the first paid plan, which is usually called the light or basic plan. This plan is the most affordable paid option and it lets you connect your own custom domain. So your website address can be simple and brandable, and it's $9 per month. This plan also removes the Wix ads, so your visitors see a clean website. It gives you basic storage and bandwidth, and it's great for the personal portfolios, small blogs, or simple business sites that don't need to sell any online. The next setup is a plan that often called the core plan, which is the $14 per month. This plan gives you more storage, more collaborators if you want to work with a team, and most importantly, it lets you accept the online payments. So people can buy products or services directly from your websites. This makes it a good choice for most of the entrepreneurs and small business owners. This plan also includes the basic marketing tools and analytics. So you can start checking how many people visit your site and how they find you. Then there is the business level plan, which is the business plan. This one increases the feature even more with the higher storage, more business tools, better marketing options, and stronger e-commerce support. If you are selling many products or if you expect your site to grow quickly, this plan gives you a smooth experience. You also get things like automated sales tags, customer accounts, and more marketing features to help attract visitors and turn them into customers. And at the top of the business elite plan, this plan is designed for larger business and bigger online stores that need advanced tools and a lot of space. It also gives you a priority customer support and advanced analytics. This means you can get help faster and understand your business performance better. Most beginners do not need this plan right away, but it is an option as your site grows bigger. Something you should always keep in mind is that all paid plans give you secure web hosting, meaning Wix will host your site and keep it online with good reliability. They also offer 24/7 customer support if you need any help. You can usually try a paid plan. This is very risk-free because Wix gives a money-back guarantee within a short term if you change your mind. So how do you choose the best plan? If you just want to try Wix or need personal portfolio or small project, then the light or the basic plan, this is good to start. If you want to start selling products or services, go with the core plan because it includes the online payments. If your business is growing and you want advanced tool, then the business plan is for you. This is the most powerful tools and support. Business Elite is the top option. Always think about how big your site will be, what tools you need, and how much storage and business support you want before picking a plan. So that's everything about the Wix pricing plans and how to choose the right one for your business. I hope this explanation helped you to understand each plan clearly and pick the one that fits for your website best. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who is also building a website. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.